my name is Levi, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit unique. I'm going to be giving you a tour around my smart bedroom. I wanted to give anyone out there an opportunity to get some smart devices in their bedroom. You might be on a bit of a budget or you might not be able to afford a certain device, but hopefully I can inspire you to get some cool stuff for your setup in your bedroom. I'm 16 and I do a bit of work around the house and I do have a job. I'm a referee, so that gives me a bit of money. But I don't have thousands of dollars to just go spend on whatever I want. So this is why I did a bit of my own research a few months ago to get the coolest bedroom on a budget. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it. Starting off this list, we have the Amazon Echo Dot. You could use either an Amazon Echo Dot or a Google Home Mini. It's your choice. I chose the Amazon Echo Dot because of its superior sound quality, and I also like the design more. The Google Home Mini tends to be cheaper on the market though, so that could be a determining factor for you. The Amazon Echo Dot is a smart assistant speaker. The Amazon Echo Dot is the most important item on this list. The reason why is because it is the hub of all of your smart devices. I will leave a link to all the products in this video in the description. The second product on this list is a 3-in-1 charging dock for an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. If you're an Android user, you can find the same sort of thing on eBay. I always found it annoying having 3 separate cables for 3 separate devices, so this charging dock made it super easy. Because it is a wireless charger, comparatively it's super cheap for what it is. Big brands such as Belkin or Logitech charge upwards of $90 for their wireless chargers. If you have a good eye, you probably would have noticed I have an iPhone SE. And if you know anything about Apple products, you know that the iPhone SE does not support wireless charging. So how did I get it then? That brings us to the third item on this list. This product is a wireless charging receiver. This is designed for any phone that does not support wireless charging. This is the cheapest item on the list at only $2.50. The fourth item on this list is the Yilight Smart Colored Light Bulb. This is more than half the price of any Philips and LifeX colored bulbs on the market. You can connect them to any smart speaker you have to change the color, brightness, and obviously on and off. You can even set timers to go on and off. I have my lights turn on when my alarm goes off in the morning. The second to last product on this list is the Sunoff Wi-Fi Smart Plug. This comes in at around $15 and is super affordable. This makes any product that plugs into a wall smart. You can connect the smart plug to your Amazon Echo Dot and you can turn any device that plugs into a wall on and off. You could use it with a fan, a lamp, or in my case, I use it with my bedside lights. The final product in this video is a vertical laptop stand. A couple of months ago I was wondering, you have a stand for your phone, you have a stand for your watch, but there's no stand for your laptop, and it feels feeble just having it lie there. So I looked online and found this. It's not super cheap, but it's definitely gonna last you many years because it feels really sturdy. It comes with an Allen key and it's adjustable to the size and thickness of your laptop, so it's gonna sit nice and snug. If you'd like to leave any feedback, please drop a comment below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. And if you like my content, please subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again next time.